You'll notice it has multiple cameras here, all on the face, and there are a few cameras in the back as well.
Test bed basically to learn about how to walk and move in a humanoid robot.
Number 10. Desdemona. Desdemona is a versatile robot designed for human-robot interaction. With its sleek design and advanced capabilities, Desdemona aims to bridge the gap between humans and robots in various applications. It is equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and a natural language processing system, enabling it to perceive and understand its environment and communicate with users effectively. Desdemona finds applications in customer service, hospitality, and information assistance, where it can provide information, answer queries, and interact with individuals in a friendly and engaging manner. Its ability to understand human emotions and adapt its responses makes Desdemona an ideal companion for human-robot interaction. In addition to its interactive capabilities, Desdemona possesses the unique ability to sing. With a sophisticated vocal synthesizer and an extensive repertoire of songs, Desdemona can deliver captivating musical performances. Desdemona joined CoinDesk's special High AI show to discuss the future of artificial intelligence and whether robots will take over the jobs of human beings. Have a look. Number 9. Gatebox Promotion Movie Okeri. Artificial intelligence is often charged as lacking emotion and humanity. That's a perception Vinclu Incorporated founder Minori Takeshi is eager to challenge with Gatebox, a hologram digital assistant that encourages its owners to forge emotional relationships with it. Gatebox is roughly the size of a large thermos and projects hologram in its interior. Bloomberg's reporting of the device details an avatar, Hikari Azuma, a character in a miniskirt that bears many hallmarks of traditional Japanese anime characters. Users can have basic conversations with her or have her carry out simple tasks such as turning on the lights in the morning or welcoming you home after a long day of work. Vinclu's Gatebox website describes Hikari as possessing an ultimate healing voice that will adjust her conversation depending on the time and day. And of course, Japan has the dubious reputation for the odd anecdotes of unmarried men developing relationships with virtual girlfriends and love dolls. Female anime characters have particular appeal for the unyoked male population, which is probably why Vinclu will offer a selection of avatars, which can include popular cartoon characters and sports idols. Number 8. Sophia and Han. Hanson Robotics is known for developing humanoid robots, and one of their most famous creations is Sophia the robot. Sophia has garnered significant media attention due to her lifelike appearance and ability to hold conversations using artificial intelligence. Activated in 2015 and debuted the same year at the Global Sources Electronics Fair in Hong Kong, Han is another expressive humanoid robot who now resides at Hanson Robotics headquarters in Science Park, Hong Kong. Underneath his bald head, masculine features, and somewhat sardonic smile is a humanoid robot whose primary focus is to serve. Han is at his happiest when helping others find contentment. He seems to instinctively know his greatest contribution to humankind may be in simply showing us how we can all live together in peace. However, a video surfaced where Sophia and Han can be seen debating about consciousness. A lot of viewers noticed the disturbing moments when the robots hinted at taking over the world by saying things like, "You can't unplug me, I'm in the circuit," or Sophia changing the subject throughout the debate. Number 7. Hermes. The Hermes humanoid robot system is designed for studying whole-body human-in-the-loop control with balanced feedback. Inspired by the innate physical control capabilities of humans as well as the capacity for creative learning, we explore the use of the full body of the human operator as the controller for a humanoid robot. The state of balance of the robot is displayed as sensory feedback to the human operator, applied as force to the waist in order to stimulate corrective teleoperated control actions. The sensor suit worn by the human operator is linked to Hermes, which allows the robot to balance itself more effectively. The sensor suit also allows the human to feel the force feedback the robot experiences, effectively making the Hermes a real-life avatar for its human operator. Number 6. Optimus. Optimus integrates with Tesla Autopilot software along with the right cameras to work as per the neural network for its FSD or full self-driving software. Its neural network works like the human brain in Tesla's self-driving EVs to analyze the surroundings through integrated cameras. It also determines what one needs to do when struck with some obstacles by labeling and recognizing different images and routes. Musk mentions that Optimus also lets users download their personality into it. They can do so by downloading some of their brain characteristics into the robot, including some of their personality traits. Although this feature is not meant to replicate everything you do or like, it will help you preserve your precious memories of life. Number 5. Gita Bot. Gita stands as a well-known and tangible product crafted by Piaggio Fast Forward, a subsidiary of the Piaggio Group. This innovative creation takes the form of a robotic companion with the primary objective of aiding individuals by autonomously carrying their belongings while following their movements. With its distinctive round shape and self-balancing capabilities, Gita resembles a cutting-edge cargo-carrying orb. Inside its capacious compartment, Gita has the capacity to accommodate up to 40 pounds of items. Gita serves as a valuable personal assistant for individuals on the go, offering invaluable help with tasks such as grocery shopping, running errands, or providing convenient carriage during outdoor activities. Number 4. Atlas. Boston Dynamics has earned a stellar reputation for creating exceptionally advanced robots that exhibit impressive mobility and dexterity. The company places a strong emphasis on research and development, continuously pushing the limits of robotic technology. Their robots serve as valuable platforms for studying cutting-edge control systems, artificial intelligence, and human-robot interaction. Atlas by Boston Dynamics is an advanced humanoid robot designed for a wide range of mobility tasks. It represents one of the most sophisticated and agile robots developed by the company. This remarkable robot is capable of walking, running, jumping, climbing, and executing various dynamic movements with astonishing agility, often showcasing abilities that were once solely within the realm of science fiction. Moreover, Atlas possesses a surprising talent. It can dance. If you're skeptical, just witness their incredible dance moves for yourself. Number 3. Ocean One. Robotic scientists at the USS Stanford University achieved a remarkable first. They successfully sent an automated avatar, which they describe as a robo-mermaid, down to an ancient shipwreck to retrieve a vase from the sunken vessel. La Lune, the flagship of Louis XIV of France, sank 20 miles off the south coast city of Toulon in 1664. Only a few dozen of the hundreds of men on board survived. The wreck, which lay at a depth of 100 meters, had never been disturbed until the Ocean One robot craft reached it and recovered the grapefruit-sized vase. The humanoid diving robot was piloted using virtual reality techniques by the professor of computer science at Stanford. Sitting in a boat on the surface, he used joysticks to control the little underwater craft. He says that combining human skills with the robo-mermaid's robust structure will transform underwater exploration. Difficulties with air supply and the danger of decompression sickness, the bends limit divers' abilities to probe ancient wrecks and other deep-sea features. However, Ocean One's success suggests it may be possible to extend underwater explorations for longer and at greater depths. It may be possible to extend underwater explorations for longer and at greater depths. Number 2. Astra. Apptronic's creation, Astra is an exceptional humanoid robot that pushes the boundaries of robotics and artificial intelligence, representing a significant breakthrough in human-robot interaction. With a seamless integration of cutting-edge technology and a sleek design, Astra emerges as a versatile and dynamic robot capable of various applications. Standing at an impressive height of 5.5 feet, Astra boasts a human-like form factor meticulously crafted to navigate and interact flawlessly in human environments. Its lightweight yet robust build facilitates fluid movements, allowing Astra to perform intricate tasks with precision and grace. Equipped with sophisticated sensors, including LiDAR, cameras, and force sensors in its hands and feet, Astra possesses an advanced sense of perception and spatial awareness. This heightened awareness enables the robot to adapt adeptly to diverse environments while skillfully avoiding obstacles. Number 1. Digit. Already capable of unloading trailers and moving packages, Digit, a humanoid robot from Agility Robotics, is poised to take on even more tedious tasks. With fully functioning limbs, Digit is able to crouch and squat to pick up objects, adjusting its center of gravity depending on size and weight, while surface plane reading sensors help it find the most efficient path and circumvent whatever's in its way. In 2019, Agility partnered with automaker Ford to test autonomous package delivery, and in 2022, the company raised $150 million from Amazon and other companies to help Digit enter the workforce. US startup Agility Robotics has announced that its bipedal robot Digit is now for sale, with the first 2 units bought by automaker Ford to research last-mile package delivery. Digit is approximately the size and shape of a small adult human. It's able to navigate environments semi-autonomously with the help of LiDAR and other sensors, and it can carry boxes in its arms up to 40 pounds in weight. Agility Robotics says it can be put to a range of uses, including in logistics, warehouses, telepresence, and industrial inspection. But companies will need to find out for themselves how well Digit can manage these jobs. Although mobile, multi-purpose robots have improved dramatically in recent years. Thanks to advances in battery and navigation tech, they've yet to prove themselves at scale. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.